What's going on, guys? Dave here with 19 Series Outdoors, and today I'm going to give you a rundown on the Huntlyte saddle system, what you're going to get when you purchase, and yeah, we're going to run through a little bit of everything. I have my saddle here. This is the Outsider, and you're gonna get this sweet dump pouch. It's gonna come with it. I have it in multi-cam. I also have ordered a tether kit. So we will open that up together. In here, you're gonna get your rope. You're also gonna get a carabiner. And then last but not least, we have the Huntlyte ladder, which I'm stoked about, guys. I really think all of you are going to love this product. This is going to come with 3 tree straps and then your ladder itself. So let's get hooked up and show you guys how everything works. All suited up here, got the saddle on, put the dump pouch on, and well, first glance you're gonna realize how light this thing is. It is crazy. It's super light, but still sturdy. I have the tether kit up on the tree, got my little platform, and we're gonna clip in, and yeah. Into it. It's very, very comfortable. Like, you got this nice big mesh area you're just sitting on. You're just relaxing. You can come in, you can hang, you can go out, swing all around. Everything is good, everything is sturdy. Even little details like having heat wrap or heat shrink on the ends of the ropes. It's tight. It's great. The bridge slides nicely. Everything's really solid. I keep my leg straps a little looser. That's just personal preference. But yeah, it's pretty easy. You can, personally, I'd rather not use just the prusik knot, but slide yourself up. Everything is just really good. I feel like I can sit here all day, and you're gonna see me do that a lot this year. I don't use a lineman's belt when I climb. I normally will just use the tether, and as I go up the tree, I'll just slide myself up. I feel like with the lineman's belt, just personal preference, there's still a risk of me slipping. So that's just me. I don't do it, but yeah, really, really great quality, really comfortable. I like the fact of how you can just, certain saddles you get in are just not good. They pinch you up on your hips. I don't feel anything up around the hip area. Everything is just, I'm just sitting on this nice little butt pad, and we're relaxing. Spend the whole day up here. Last little piece we have is going to be the Huntlyte ladder. So this is our tree strap. Around. You got 2 loops on here. This loop is what's going to hook yourself to the tree, and then this is for your actual ladder itself, and I'll show you in a second. So that's going to go there. Got her hooked in. And then we have our ladder itself. So we are going to take that, hook this through. Now it is going to move a little bit down on the tree, just for the simple fact of gravity, and it has to cinch itself. as you guys can see, this thing is sturdy. Like, I got all my weight on that. Yeah, pretty good product. Beauty of it is, it's quick, it's easy. Pop this out. Actually, in reality, you would pop it out right in the dump pouch. Undo this. That goes right in the dump pouch with it. There you go, guys. So guys, whether you're an avid hunter like myself or you're just starting out into the saddle world, I definitely recommend checking Huntlyte out. Whether you want the ladder to do the full setup, or if you just want to rock the saddle. Like I said, this is the Outsider. You're getting something very quality made in America, veteran owned, which obviously I love with myself being in the service. And yeah, check these guys out and hit subscribe, hit like, follow our journey. Catch you next time.